Enugu's story began with the discovery of coal in 1909, making it one of Nigeria's earliest planned cities during colonial rule. It later became the administrative headquarters of the former Eastern region and remains one of the Southeast's most important government and commercial centers. Owerri, on the other hand, traces its importance to agriculture, trade, and later public administration following the creation of Imo State in 1976. It rapidly expanded into one of Nigeria's fastest growing state capitals. Today, it is widely known as the entertainment capital of Southeast Nigeria because of its concentration of hotels, nightlife, and conference facilities. While Enugu reflects planning and historical significance, Owerri represents rapid urban expansion and private sector hospitality. Infrastructure often determines a city's competitiveness. Enugu has witnessed significant investment in road construction, smart transport initiatives, healthcare facilities, water supply improvement, and modernization of public infrastructure. The city also benefits from the Akani Ibiam International Airport and serves as an important transportation gateway into southeastern Nigeria. Owerri equally boasts of extensive road networks and Samu Mbakwe International Cargo Airport, the first airport in Nigeria initiated by a state government. Recent infrastructure projects and partnership between the federal government and Imo State have focused on roads, public facilities, and urban renewal. Both cities continue to invest heavily in infrastructure, although each faces challenges related to maintenance, traffic, and expanded urban population. Economically, the cities have different strengths. Enugu increasingly positions itself as an investment destination for manufacturing, energy, healthcare, technology, mining, and agribusiness. The Nigerian Investment Promotion Commission identifies these sectors among the state's major investment opportunities. Owerri's economy is driven largely by commerce, hospitality, education, oil-related services, agribusiness, agriculture, and small businesses. Imo State also possesses significant agricultural resources, energy potential, and investment opportunities in tourism and business services. Enugu appears to attract more government-led institutional investment, while Owerri continues to thrive through private enterprise and its vibrant hospitality sector. If there is one area where Owerri shines, it's hospitality. The city is home to numerous hotels, resorts, lounges, restaurants, and entertainment venues, making it a preferred destination for conferences, weddings, and leisure across southeastern Nigeria. Enugu, meanwhile, combines modern urban life with rich historical attractions such as the Ngwo Pine Forest, Awon Waterfall, Milliken Hills, and remnants of its coal mining heritage. The city also hosts cultural festivals and increasingly attracts business tourism. Owerri offers energetic nightlife and leisure experiences, while Enugu balances tourism with business, history, and outdoor attraction. Both cities serve as educational centers. Enugu hosts renowned institutions, including the University of Nigeria's Enugu campus, Enugu State University of Science and Technology, Godfrey Okoye University, and several specialist colleges. Owerri is home to Federal University of Technology Owerri, Futo, Federal Polytechnic, Nekede, Alvan Ikoko Federal University of Education, and other higher institutions. Looking ahead, Enugu's strategic emphasis on industrialization, technology, aviation, healthcare, and manufacturing positions it strongly for future investment. Owerri's strength remains hospitality, education, commerce, and growing infrastructure. Both cities possess enormous potential, supported by expanding population and entrepreneurial cultures. The comparison between Enugu and Owerri reveals that each city excels in different areas. Enugu stands out for its administrative importance, infrastructure development, investment drive, and historical significance. Owerri distinguishes itself through hospitality, entertainment, education, and a vibrant private sector economy. Rather than competing against each other, these two cities complement one another. Together, they strengthen the Southeast's economic influence and demonstrate the region's enormous development potential. Ultimately, the better city depends on what you value most. Investors may favor one, tourists another, entrepreneurs another still, but one fact remains undeniable. Both Enugu and Owerri are among the most influential urban centers in southeastern Nigeria and will continue shaping the region's future. In southeastern Nigeria, two cities have long stood out as symbols of progress, culture, and ambition. Enugu, the historic whole city, and Owerri, the heartland capital. Though separated by barely 100 kilometers, these two cities have developed distinctive identities. Enugu rose from coal mining into an administrative and investment hub, while Owerri became famous for hospitality, entertainment, education, and commerce. Both cities have produced influential leaders, attracted major investments, and remain central to the economic future of Southeast. But which city is growing faster? Which offers better infrastructure? Which attracts more investment? And which is best positioned for the future? This documentary compares both cities across infrastructure, economy, tourism, education, governance, and investment using publicly available and verifiable information, not sentiment or rivalry. As we conclude this journey, one thing becomes clear. The story of Enugu versus Owerri is not about declaring a winner. It is about celebrating two remarkable cities that have each carved out a unique place in Nigeria's development. Enugu continues to build on its legacy as a center for governance, investment, infrastructure, and innovation, while Owerri remains a vibrant destination for hospitality, commerce, education, and entertainment. Together, they represent the resilience, ambition, and entrepreneurial spirit that define the Southeast. The future of the region may not depend on which city comes first, but on how both cities continue to grow, collaborate, and unlock new opportunities for millions of people. What do you think? Which city would you choose to live in, invest, or visit? Enugu or Owerri? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comments below. We would love to hear your perspective. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to 1010 Media, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth documentaries on Nigeria, Africa, business, infrastructure, history, and development.